Hi everyone, Darko here, lead coach for Coach's Corner. Before I even start talking about our current course that we just released, by the time I'm recording this, our world is under attack with this coronavirus, and it's just heartbreaking to see what we and our world is going through right now. So my hope and prayers is that we get through this as soon as possible. This is actually my first selfie appearance in like more than 6 months. I've been very busy working with my clients in the background and producing contents on daily basis. Since I become a lead coach, there have been a huge interest in how I'm trading, like how I find my trades, how I manage my trades, and we are like getting like tons of emails and private messages. So we decided to actually put together best of the best videos that I've been producing for the past 2 years and 5 months as a lead coach. This is basically all you need to know about my trading, like how I find trades, how I identify key levels of support and resistance, and how I manage my trade, obviously, and everything in between. So you will get like samples of my PMAs, and you get everything you need to know about my trading system, basically like bonus stuff, videos and motivational videos, and basically everything in between. So I wouldn't say this is a course actually, because this is a result of 14 years of hard work. So basically when everyone else was enjoying their lives and spending time with family and friends and everything, I was focusing on my passion. So how do you actually like label like a pricing on this? Because all the $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 that I spend on learning this properly and doing all the mistakes. So this is basically my art. This is based on like endless of hours of hard work and back testing, my approach in the live market. This is a huge library, so it will take you a bit of time to go through this, and obviously you need to understand the content and try it in the live market. And the good thing with this is that you actually don't find this anywhere else on internet or in any books. So this is very unique to how I trade. So I made my trading as objective as possible. Obviously trading will never be 100% objective, okay? The good thing is that I've been doing this live. That means there's no hindsight. Since January 2018, I've been live coaching. That means I'm pointing out trades in advance, way before they get filled, in front of my clients. So you'll see me having losing streaks, winning streaks, obviously break-even trades, how I manage my trades, and everything in between. So everything in this course is basically what I do on a daily basis. So, and this is what I do like Monday to Friday, applying this day in and day out without deviation. And this is actually a very unique opportunity for you to get access to my content. If you like what you see and my trading style resonate with your way of trading, I will be more than happy to have you as my client and work with you and make sure that help you to reach your goal to become a professional trader. That's basically it. So hopefully I see you in class, and thank you so much for listening. Stay safe, and I will see you soon. Cheers.